Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to do a quick action pose, but in this one it is an extreme pose where we will be using an extreme crouching type of position. So if you have your pencils ready, we will go through with this exercise as best as we can. So I will require just an arc like so, and I will require an oval right about here, or it can be circle. Please use very light lines. Have that arc come right down, and then circle right here. Just draw a supporting arc. So that is actually the torso, and then an arc, circle, another arc, and similarly smaller arc here, and you'll see the reason why we are doing this, and another arc right there. And right here you could, to make this more extreme, I think that this might be more fun. Arc, arc, and another arc like that, and an oval. Another arc right somewhere here, another arc, and an oval. And right about here we're going to put in an oval just that much. So these are essentially the arms, and those are the legs. So since this is in the foreground, we begin with this particular leg. Use a oval there to define your calf area a little better. It depends on what you are making this guy wear. Okay, and we got that down, and the foot will be something like that, and then from there it's a perspective thing, so we just flesh out part of the thigh there, part of the calf, and come in like that. Then right here, where his shoulder has to be, depending on the angle of the arm, I've put in a fist right there, and that is there's some little bit of foreshortening there. I made the fist a little larger just so it's like coming at you in a certain way, and there is the remainder of the arm running back in, and then of course a bit of the neck shows right there, and this guy is looking forward, so that will be, you could have him look upward or straight, not too up. That would not be anatomically right. He can slouch down even more, and you can show the other arm right there again with a closed fist. But now the thing is that this can be even larger. Again, it all depends on what perspective you're looking to use, and for that matter, this leg right here, if you do not choose to show it in this manner, you could just change the angle at which it is placed. Let's say that it's closer to here, so you'll just show a portion of the thigh there if you need to, and then the rest will really be the calf showing. So there we have it. That is a quickly done extreme crouching position. I think a character like Spider-Man could probably use this a lot, and I've shown this from a certain angle, which is from the back, and those are some of the things that you can achieve with this extreme pose, but which does look quite engaging when put into illustrations. And of course, if you will put in all those details depending on the source of light, you will have to look at what areas are more falling under others, and you will of course cast a shadow accordingly. In this case, it will be somewhere along these lines, if not necessarily exactly the same. So I'm just throwing in it's not essential exercise here because we were meant to get a sketch together to practice this, to flesh out this position, but this is how certain areas might be inked or shaded depending on the light source. So please do have some Google imagery going, and you could practice lots of other poses which are extreme, like this one. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch, and have yourself a wonderful day.